Well, hello, what up, everybody? This is Ariel from Acegraphix Studio. Point. You can see you just need to create a point from a point, then it's going to create the remaining thing by yourself. You have a circle. If you want a private circle, hold on. Control and you drag. Control and drag. No out drag. You may scale it up, scale it down. Still going to maintain it, and you can right click, left click to fill the color, the main color. Then you right click, you want to fill the outline. Now we have our polygon tool. We just need to click and drag. You can see the amount of sides. You can reduce it to 3, we give us triangle. You can increase it, and it should basically change the shape of what you are doing. And if you want a perfect polygon, you need to hold on control, as same as the circle. Any shape, if you want a perfect one, you need to hold on control. And beneath it we have the stars, to draw stars. We have the spiral, to draw a spiral line. And we have the common shape. This common shape is so amazing that we have different shape beneath it. We have a right angle triangle, we have a teardrop, our love, a thunder strike, a cylinder, we have a page, we have and you can see it's so amazing. We have our arrows, our banners, different type of banners. We have our shapes, semi-shape cylinders. We have our banner shape. We have our call out shapes to call up to our action shapes, and so amazing. So you just need to select anyone, click and drag, and it give you what you want. You can see that. So let's create a new page by just pressing on the plus sign beside the page. So see, now created a new page. The other page is not been deleted. You press page down to see, page up to see, then you press page down to go back to the one you just created. And now we're going to text. Text 2 is the one that's showing an alphabet. So when you have a different font here, you can download font. I will leave the description below for where you can download your font, and you can also scale your size, the size of your font to what size, whatever size you want it. Just type class 1, class #1, and so we change the points here to size. It shows us the size you want it to be. You can scale it up and scale it down from that side, but if you should scale it this side, you are shrinking the font and it's not giving a right, you can to Z back. And if you scale it by this down to, it's not right, you are shrinking the text also. Ctrl Z backward, but the right proportion to scale it is scale it by the angle. Scale it up, scale it down, and still maintain the same font and do not be shrink. So you can change your font too by clicking your font list here. So when you clicked on your font list, then your font will change. So you clicked on our font. Let me quickly click on something so it shows. Okay, you can see different fonts we have, and your system has its own inbuilt font. But if you want more font, you can go to the description below. I'll leave a link below for you where you can get free fonts to use. You can where you can get free fonts to use. You can, this is amazing font to use. So you can change the color. Let's say right click, left click to change the main color, and right click to change the outline. You can see very so amazing. And you zoom in to see the outline color. You can see it's red now. I can change it to blue, I can change it to gray, and I can change it to whatever color I want, basically by right clicking on your color. And if you left click on your color, you'll be changing the main color. Now is our table. Table tool is used to draw table. You can increase your row, you can increase your column, you can decrease your row, you can decrease your column. And next is our parallel dimension tool is used to draw lines. Amazing thing about it that it shows you the actual size of the line, of the length of the line you drew, and so amazing for the people in the technical aspect. Next on that, we have our joint line is used to join line from each node point it sees. So you can see joining them together, and basically it's attached to the text. Know how you want to move the line on its own, except you move the text together with it. Next we have our shadow. You can see anywhere you move the text to, the line basically follow because it's being joined. Ctrl Z. So now our shadow is used to pop out our objects or shapes or letters or alphabets. You can drag it from each angle, or you can drag it from bottom up. You can change it from left to right. Then here is how thick we want the shadow to be, and here is how sharp or how light we want it to be. You can see how dark, you can see it's darker now, and we can also change the color of our shadow. It's so amazing. We can change the color maybe to a lighter color to make it like show as if it's glowing. So amazing. Next in our shadow we have our contour. We have our contour blender, and so forth. Next we use to go to our contour. Let's need double click this. It's Ctrl D. Go. So you move this outside the page, then move that in to just illustrate our contour. Then you click on your contour. We have different type of contour. We have outer contour, we have inner contour, and we have central contour. But we click on outer contour, you can see immediately it creates shapes around it, and you can decrease it, and you can decrease it, and you can also increase it. Then we can change the color that creates around our text. You can change to lighter red, you can change to any color we want. And then also we have our blend tool. This is so amazing. I loved it too, whatever I call it, blend tool, man. I love it. You could just blend two objects together. Like look in this circle now, I'm creating two circles to create a perspective. The other circle I'm going to make it smaller, then I'll fill that color. I'll let the smaller circle, I can fill the color, make them green, then change the front circle to red. Then select the two of them and remove the outline. Then click blender and select on the smaller circle which is green. Drag it to the red. You can see immediately it's blend the green to red. You can see that lovely feel, so amazing, creating that perspective view. Wow, so you can see that blend feel. And next on our tool we have our distort. And distort is so amazing that it creates a form of explosion of text, explosion feel. You can use it in either a text, or we can use it inside a shape. It creates a form of explosion. You can see that. You can see I can reduce it by dragging that node in, and I can also increase it by moving it out, also to create that explosion feel. And these are awesome tools to use. And next on our tools we have our envelope tool. Our envelope tool is used to shape our text. Like if you also see, you can move it. The double click our text. Then you can use it to shape our text by dragging this down, not up, then dragging the up one down, then you can move the edges together. I can see immediately it's moving the text together, and it's so amazing. Next we have a extrude tool used to So amazing. Next, we have a extrude tool used to create a form of 3D. Extrude tool used to create a form of 3D dimension of your text. Used to create a 3D dimension. You can move it, you can rotate it, you can see, and you can decrease the depth of your shape. You can see, we'll do it to 1, and you can see the embossing fill is still there. You can change it. You can see it's more clearer now. And we have different lightning mode for it. You can see 1, lightning 2, lightning 3. You can adjust the lightning as you want, and you can adjust it as you pleases. And next, we also have a bevel, but for this we will not go deep to this bevel part. Next on our tool, we have our block shadow. Our block shadow is just like our shadow, but a sharp block, like a shape on its own, and it's so amazing, like really amazing. Let's clear our shadow from this. Then you click on the block shadow, then you drag. Immediately you drag and stop, it creates its own depth. It's like the 3D dimension, but this is a block shadow. And you can also toggle some changes there. You can decrease how the depth will be. You can see so amazing, so amazing and lovely, so lovely features. And these features, you can see these features started from coreldraw 2017, and I'm using 2019. So, and these features is there that I'm so amazing. Next, we have our transparency tool. Transparency tool is used to like fade something from one part to another. It's used to fade a rectangle, object from one part to another. So amazing tool. And like, let's create this then amazing now shape. Go back to your transparent tool. Then you now just click the circle. Let's fill it with color. Once you click and drag, you can use, if we should add transparent tool to it, you can see it's faded out the upper part. You can see they have two colors on it. We have black and white, which is red, and if you can see in between them, we have the gradual fill from between both of them. So if you now look at it, it's so amazing, so amazing. Next on our tool, we create a new page. Then now we want to show you a tool which is like we're using a mixing of colors, using a blending of two colors or more than two colors together. Then your interactive fill, then you click on it and you drag. You can see it has two colors. Now you have a red and we have white, not like the transparent we have red, which we have white and black. This has their own initial color. You can change the color. That place which is white, we change it to yellow. You can change, you can see how amazing feel it's giving us. You can remove the outline, then so amazing. Okay, let's now pick our text from the our text with our block shadow. Then let's place it on this thing. You can just drag it on the next page, then it appears. Then we will now scale it in. Remove the outline. So amazing. Scale it in. Few adjustments. You can see basically combination of two things together and giving us amazing result. And this is our tutorial for this, a beginning tutorial. So next we'll be giving you more content on graphic design with coreldraw. So till next, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. For you to see more of our content on designs with coreldraw, you can click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to receive notification of each tutorial we drop on graphics design with coreldraw. Till next time.